Hi guys, Stella the STI here, and today we will be installing the red push to start button over the factory black push to start button on the STI. This button came standard on the S207 model in Japan. So here we go. And before we go any further, I just want to give you guys a side-by-side comparison of what the two buttons will look like. And the tools that we'll be using will be a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a flashlight just in case. Okay, so first thing we want to do, there is a screw way down here that I don't think you're able to see on the screen. It's pretty easy to see. It's just like straight up there. So all you're going to do, you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and you are going to unscrew that. Let the screw out, store it away into a safe place. Next, I found it was easiest to just pull right in here, pull straight back, and come straight out. Okay, just put that on the side here. Next, what you want to do is you want to change and get your flathead screwdriver. And there's a clip just right under here, okay? All you want to do is you want to get the flathead screwdriver, put it up here, push, and now it should help release the bracket that's holding the push to start button. So, yep, just like that, we got it released. Okay, so next what you want to do is you're going to pull this out and you're just going to pop this forward so now the button's coming out this way. Okay, so now that we have the button pulled out, there's a little tab right there. Okay, what you want to do is you want to get your flathead screwdriver and you're going to push in there. It's going to release the tab and the button's going to come right out. And then you can get your button, line it up properly with the plug, and push in. Popped right into place, and now you just reassemble. You just push this back like that, push this back into place. Okay, and before we go any further, just to make sure it's working, I'm going to just try starting up the car. It looks like it works. There you go. Good as new. And then we can just plug this back in.